Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on your Rochdale County Tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rockdale.gov.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the homepage for the Rochdale Tax Department. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner, which will take you into the login portal. Click on sign in or register to my account and then click on the appropriate button once again and you will be taken into the portal. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials. So start by entering your email address that you used to sign up for your account and then type in your account password. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your council tax account with Rochdale. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password button underneath the password box to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your council tax department for Rochdale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.